Hey guys, okay, so I applied foundation using this NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I like this foundation a lot. If you guys have watched my past videos, you guys would know that. I also primed my skin using this Milk Makeup Priming Stick. I just applied this like kind of pretty much all over my face. As you can see, my face is pretty glowy, not only because of the foundation, but because of this. So as you guys are here to watch, I'm going to be reviewing this Jordana Concealer. I bought this at Walgreens. It was like $5.50, so it was not bad at all. I'm looking online right now and there is a total of 18 shades, which is really good. I would say kind of when you start getting to like the 11th or 12th shade is when it starts getting to the darker sides. You can maybe, if you guys look on your own, I would say that there is more shades that are lighter in complexion than darker, which is not that great of a thing, but I mean, at least we have some dark shades, so it's not super bad, and the price is not bad at all. So I have worn this concealer before, but never like a full day wear test by itself, so today I'm going to be testing that. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply this right underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, a little on my forehead, on the sides of my nose, and the chin, everywhere that I would regularly apply concealer. So on a day-to-day basis, I don't put the whole triangle. I just basically put a little bit because I don't want my skin getting used to so much heavy concealer. So this is pretty much as I'm going to put. If I want to go in a little bit later, I will. So as you guys could tell, that one dip into the concealer was all I needed for my whole face. So you guys can tell it's pretty much a really good doe foot applicator. So I'm going to go ahead now with my beauty blender and just blend this out underneath my eye. So this is marketed as a full coverage concealer. So we're about to test to see how full coverage it is. Also, I have mine in the shade 03 Ivory. So I wanted to show you guys the way that it looked before I set it. This is the way it looks. I really do like it. I feel like it does not settle into my fine lines, and it is pretty full coverage, so I do agree with the claim when it comes to that part. So that is what my skin is looking like after it is all applied. I basically just wanted to zoom you guys in to give you a little closer look. I'm about to bake and apply my NYC Smooth Skin Powder, which you guys know that I love as well. So I'm going to go ahead, apply that to the rest of my face, do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I went ahead and I did the rest of my makeup. If you guys would like to see this eye look, go ahead, and the link is down below. Just go ahead and click on it. I have two looks using the Modern Renaissance palette. So yes, it will be linked down below. But I went ahead, I finished my makeup, and this is what it's looking like. So let's just review this concealer a little bit. I went ahead and I set it. I really like the way that it sets. I like the way that it looks when it's first applied. I mean, like I said, I haven't used it for the whole day yet, so I'm going to go ahead and probably vlog throughout the day and show you guys the wear test of it. It is currently 8:31. I am going to be heading to school, and later I have work, so I probably will check back in maybe 2 or 3 times throughout the day and give you guys my final verdict at the end. I really do like how it's looking right now. I will get a closer look. It's not creasing yet. It sets really nice. It's not settling into any fine lines, so I really do appreciate that. And as I said earlier, I will see you guys in a little bit. I wanted to show you guys how my under eyes are looking. This is in complete natural lighting. I am standing outside. It is currently just about 12:30. We're looking at 4 hours later, and this is how they are looking. I would say it's still pretty good, not creasing or anything, so I like that. It is like so bright. Sorry, I'm squinting. But yes, I really do like how they are looking right now. It's not looking cakey, greasy, oily, anything like that. So I will come back and check in a couple hours. Hey guys, update. So it is 12 hours later. It is literally 8:42. And I am at Ulta right now. If you guys want to see what I did today and what I did yesterday, go ahead and check out my vlog in my vlogging channel. It will be linked down below. But I came on here basically to update you guys on my concealer and bring you guys up close and tell you guys what I think. So I have a little bit of mascara running down my eyes, as you can see right here. But it has creased in my fine lines, and I did bake it for like 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm surprised that it pretty much creased. But other than that, like from here, let's just say it doesn't look bad. And if I even go like here, I wouldn't say it looks like atrocious. Maybe like once you get up there it does. But overall, this is not a bad concealer. I wouldn't give it like a total complete fail. So we have a couple hours left, maybe until midnight. So I'll come back and check up with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, okay, so I am back where we originally started, and I am looking just a little bit oily slash glowy. I love the glow except right here on my T-zone, but besides that, this glow is like, I kind of like that, to be honest. I am here to do my last check-in for the day. It is literally just about 15 going on 16 hours. It is 11:17, so yeah, I've had this on for like 15 hours now. And so we can really get a good sense of how it's wearing. I'm going to zoom you guys in, and so you guys can look underneath my eye. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like underneath my eye. It's not super bad or super crepey, unless like if you were talking to me in person, I'm pretty sure you would notice that. But like honestly, for the 15 hours that I wore this, it is not bad at all. So what is my final verdict on this Jordana Take Cover Full Coverage Concealer? I really do like it. For a $5 concealer, all I have to say is that this is not bad at all. So I really did enjoy this, and I honestly was thinking about it, and I think I like it a little bit more than my NARS, but I'm gonna have to keep trying it out, and I'll come back and let you guys know exactly what my thoughts are, because I don't know, that's a really big claim. I really do like that concealer a lot, but it could tend to like make my under eyes look a little crepey, and this does not. So that's the reason that I really do like this. Both of them are very full coverage, very long wearing, and I really like it for that reason. So yes, this is approved from me. I really do recommend it to you guys, my friends, anybody. I really do recommend it. And yeah, so try to just find your shade. $5, it's not that bad. If you are a regular here on my channel, thank you so much. Let's get to 100 subscribers, and I am going to do a little giveaway for you guys. I'm not sure exactly what it is yet, but I will be planning it. We're almost there. We're like 35 people, or like 37 people from being there. So let's make it happen, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!